I'm going to wind one more ball of yarn today, and that is going to be this, I think it's called dark bottle colour. Yes, dark bottle. It looks very dark on camera. And the reason is because it's, I've been using a lot of it. And this is a good example of what using the outer pull will give you. It gives you something that still is reminiscent of a skein, as opposed to if I were to be pulling out from the centre, I would just have like this very loose outer blob, which I find tends to knot more. Centre pull I feel like is fine if you're gonna like use up the whole skein, but as I don't always, because I tend to crochet small things, ignoring that big pillow over there, this just works better. But we're gonna go wind this into a ball because this keeps sitting on my crochet cart and it looks very sad and it keeps getting squashed into weird places. So I might just use like the outer pull for this one. I may come to regret it, but I can't really tell where the center is, so we'll just see how we go. Oops. I'm already making a big mess of this one, but that's okay. It'll be nice and neat when we're done with it, I hope. Okay, so let's make sure not to yank this off like I did last time. There we go. Very nice. People have been asking why I wind it, and this is kind of why. If I were to just put a skein in the bowl and it's just, it actually put itself through here. I didn't do that on purpose. It'll get knotted and it'll stop. That's why I keep making them into these little balls, because I want to be able to use this nice little yarn ball. I'm just going to turn it around, that way it doesn't get stuck in the little loop while we are doing this. You can see it moving around a lot. It's why most people prefer the center pull. That way it moves around less. Oh, it just totally jumped out of the bowl. It's having a little party. And this is what would happen if, you know, you were crocheting or knitting fast. It's dancing. Oh, no. No, not anymore. It got stuck. Hang on. No, we're not it again. You can do it. Oh. Hey, and now look at how nice and neat it is. So pretty. Okay. This was our yarn label that said it was a dark bottle lot 15. I'm just going to roll it. This way when I'm writing patterns I can record what the actual colour was rather than having to guess. I'm gonna just put this in the center and hope it connects. Yes, it does. The label is now like much taller than our bowl. It's probably fine. For like storage reasons I'm more thinking. It's probably fine. And there we go! It's so tiny! But I mean, like, for storage purposes, this is like a lot better than what we started with, so I'm quite happy with it. I might need to like rethink how I'm doing my labels though, because this is like kind of loose because it's a smaller ball. We'll see. I'll see how it goes. But yeah, there we go. A nice little one to do.